Nick Fundytus here from Royal LePage Performance Realty. And today we're profiling an awesome restaurant in Orleans called Mumbai Masala. It is on Saint-Joseph and we're profiling it to celebrate our new listing in the area. The owners, Natalie and Kyle, recommended it to us and they said, and I quote, "We discovered this restaurant during COVID and since then I think we've put the owners' kids through college. They are friendly, the service is awesome, the food is to die for, and what was the last bit he said? And what he said about the food was that their palak paneer would likely be my last meal request. You can't get much better praise than that. It's our friends' favorites. It might be your new favorite. Let's go in and meet the owners and learn a little bit about this awesome restaurant. So we're here talking to Shubi at the restaurant, and what can you tell us about Mumbai Masala?
Mumbai Masala, it has been open for 3 years now, and we started with this location first. Now we have 2 locations. They are growing.
Yeah, where's the other one?
The other one is in Castleman.
Okay.
And so this is dining that is only takeout and delivery. So it's an authentic Indian cuisine we serve here. Indian cuisine from north till south, there are different cuisines in India. So we try our best to deliver that.
Wonderful. And so if you're ordering a meal for yourself, if you're done at the end of the day and you're setting a meal for yourself, what's your favorite thing to get?
I'm a vegetarian.
Okay.
For me, it's spinach.
Spinach?
Yeah.
So that's a sag, right?
Sag.
Yeah.
Yeah. So paneer sag wala.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Excellent. Our friends who recommended this to us said that he said that the palak paneer would be, if he had to order his last meal on earth, that's probably what he would order. So yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah. Well, thank you for having us in today. I appreciate it. And I hope that everybody's going to come and eat here.
Thank you.
So this is a small restaurant. In fact, I drove by it twice before I even made it into the parking lot. But it's our friends' favorites, and I could easily see it becoming one of my favorites too now that I know about it. If you know about Mumbai Masala, share this video with anyone you know who would love it, because this is a great local restaurant we should support. If you haven't heard of it, why don't you come get some takeout or come and dine in and come see what all the fuss is about. It's fantastic. If you'd like to learn more about Mumbai Masala, restaurants in the area, or the homes that we have for sale, just follow me and my team on social media or go to nickfundytus.ca.